Hey guys, welcome back. So now I have an update for you that I have got some working features for you from Google Bard. So the first use case we are looking at is drafting emails with AI, and this is what you need to do. So this is your step. So in your workspace lab, so go to your Gmail and you can select the prompts you select and enter, generate the text, your feedback on the text, and text in the draft you define, and up to 4 previous message threads where you use the help me write prompt to reply to an email. So basically once we open Gmail, let me say compose. So in compose email, it shows you help me write. So if you click on this, let's assume write a cover letter for a solutions architect role in NVIDIA, right? So let's say you want to apply for a role in NVIDIA and say create, it will create this. So it created a draft for us, and if you don't like it, you can refine it. So just say formalize it. And if you don't like the formal one, you can also change it to elaborate. So it will make it much more elaborative than what you had. And just wanted to update, this does not support all the prompts. So it does support some prompts currently. I think eventually in future, they will expand on this to do more. So probably writing the lengthy emails is a thing of the past now. So you no longer have to do that. And similarly, yeah, solutions architect generated with I'm feeling lucky. So you can write anything here. And after this, what you can also do is a thank you letter for my job interview, or a birthday invitation, or ask for a restaurant recommendation in Toronto. So you can do multiple things here and then just do create. So you can do formalize, elaborate, shorten, I am feeling lucky, or create a new version with recreate. So you can try out all this. I've already demoed that to you. So for you to enable this, just go to your Gmail, and this feature should be rolled out to you. If not, it will eventually be rolled out to you. So I looked at one. Let's look at a similar one, help me write. So I want to ask for a restaurant recommendation, let's say in Bangalore, right? Let me say ask for a restaurant recommendation in Bangalore. Cool. So it gave me, I'm planning a trip to Bangalore. I'm wondering if you would recommend some good restaurants. I'm looking for a place that serves authentic Indian food, or let me say authentic Mexican food. Okay, so it does not allow me to edit it. So let me ask it to say formalize. Okay, I will be visiting next week. Would like some authentic recommendation. If you have any favorite restaurants, let me know what type of cuisine and what your thoughts on the food. I would be grateful to your help. So let me know if you guys can try this feature, and if you like this video, let me know, or if you have any feedback on what else needs to be covered, leave a comment. I would try to cover it. Thank you for joining.